Dear subscribers, today, we embark on a journey to unlock the full potential of our internet speed through HTTP Custom V2Ray settings. To kick off this enlightening experience, the first step is to ensure you have a V2Ray account set up. If you haven't done this yet, refer to the tutorial guide linked in the description below for detailed instructions before proceeding with this tutorial. Once your V2Ray account creation is complete, focus on copying only the TLS results as demonstrated. Next, proceed by installing the HTTP Custom app and launching it to access the home screen. On the home screen, locate the three dots icon and tap on it to reveal the Clear/Reset Config option. Select this option to prepare your configuration for the upcoming settings adjustment. Navigate to the settings by tapping on the puzzle icon and selecting V2Ray settings. Ensure you have your V2Ray account details on hand from earlier. Now, tap on the box icon to effortlessly paste the V2Ray settings automatically. Next, tap on the icon next to it to delve into the mesh settings. Within this section, replace the server address with a valid SNI for proper configuration. As we proceed, show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. After adjusting the settings, go back, tick the V2Ray box, and hit the connect button to experience the accelerated internet speeds that await you. Make sure to like and subscribe for future updates and engaging tutorials. Thank you for being part of this educational journey towards harnessing superfast internet speeds.